Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? Today, you know them little cast iron skillets you get from the store to bake cookies in? Good enough for one big cookie. Today me and my wife, we went to a thrift store and I found this little rack and got an idea to make a Scentsy candle. Put this on top of here and I'm gonna make a candle to set inside here. Light the candle with the black iron pot. Make a Scentsy candle. See how this works out today. Thought it'd be a neat, cool idea to use one of them little small cast iron pots that ain't good for nothing but an ashtray, really. If you don't smoke, you can make one of these. Make it last a long time. Use some vegetable shortening. Long lasting candle. And one of these unscented candles from the dollar store. Heating it up in my candle pot, wax pot. Some spicy cinnamon stick fragrance. Little cubes, scented cubes to put in the pot, the skillet, little skillet. Alright, that's all melted down. Pour it in this bowl. I'm gonna let that stiffen up a little bit before I put that candle in. Got that wax in the freezer stiffening up so I can put these little candles in there to heat that skillet up for that Scentsy. You can buy these all over the place. Tractor Supply, Walmart, dollar store, all kind of places. Whatever scent you like. Put a little more in there with the things, and we're going to let that stiffen up in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Alright, I think it's firing up, man. We can demonstrate this. I think this little rack was a fondue warmer. Got out the thrift store today. And I thought it'd be a cool idea to do this with it. Light them candles. Heat up that little cast iron skillet that you're supposed to bake cookies with. Well, a cookie. And then Scentsy cubes will melt down and make your house smell good. Thought it was a cool idea. Everything all together, maybe 10 bucks, maybe 15 at the most. Or you can get creative and use whatever you got around the house to make one of these. And y'all got any other cool ideas? Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe. I really like to hear from y'all if y'all got any other good ideas. Thank y'all for watching. Please leave a comment below. Bye-bye.